Morning. 2 Chronicles chapter 24. In the days of King Joash, the child king raised in the shadows of the temple, the kingdom of Judah stood on a brink of renewal. With Joiada, the high priest, guiding him, Joash began to reign at the tender age of 7. He was determined to restore the temple and revive worship among the people. "Let us repair the house of the Lord," Joash declared with passion. "We must gather the money and restore what has been lost. The temple shall shine again and be a beacon of faith." And so the people responded. They brought their offerings, filling their coffers with gold, silver, and they were eager to see their beloved temple be restored to the former glory. The work was commenced, and the hope blossomed throughout the land. As the years passed, Joash reigned faithfully, guided by wisdom of Joiada, but the time was of changing heart. Joiada grew old, and upon his death the king declaration became to waver. The official of the people of Judah, swayed by the surrounding nations of their false gods, urging Joash to abandon the temple of the Lord. They turned to the very idols that they had once brought from their answers to ruin. Joash, in the moment of weakness, listened to their voices, forsaking God who had blessed him. He allowed the temple to fall into despair, choosing to allure the popular gods over the true God. Then Zechariah, the son of Jehoiada, confronted the king. "Why did you transgress the commandments of the Lord?" he asked, urging Joash to return his ways to the Lord. But Joash, blindly by pride and influence, did not take the warning serious. In grievance of turned to the very prophet who sought to guide him, leading to Zechariah's death. This betrayal marked the turning point. A king who once shone the promise started to dwell in darkness. The story of King Joash serves as a pivotal moment where how easily we can be led astray and turn from the truth. I challenge you to examine your own heart. Are there influences that are pulling you away from God? If you question it, if you're unsure, then seek God. Listen to his voice in the midst of the noise, and share your reaction and results with people you trust. Together, you can stand firm in the faith, because you almost know the answer. It's just hard to make the difference or make the choice or sacrifice, but it's usually the right answer, especially when you're being guided by God. You have a blessed, wonderful day. One day at a time, we'll get through the entire book of the Bible. See you tomorrow. Bye.